The United Group of Fitness Models Man stands as a powerful embodiment of strength, commitment, and global camaraderie. They represent for more than just impressive physique. They symbolizes unity, discipline, and the boundless energy that spring from a shared passion for fitness. Each individual brings a unique narrative, cultural background, and personal journey, yet together they form an unstoppable force of inspiration, demonstrating that fitness transcends boundaries, borders, and limitations. When they unite, their collective presence execute determination and confidence. Their body tells the story of countless hours spent in the discipline, hard work, and resilience, while their vibrant energy serves as a catalyst for others to elevate their own aspirations. They illustrate to the world that true greatness is not a solitary achievement, it flourishes through teamwork, collective motivation, and mutual support. This remarkable group is more than just a collection of models.